Hello, I'm Jacob Viña. Welcome to my third video. This time I've made a baseball cap with a neon light sign. Long time ago I bought some electroluminescent wire, or EL wire. It came in a kit, including the battery box and a nice button. I thought it would look cool in a baseball cap. First I drew the design on a paper to make a template. I decided to do a word, but you can try doing a logo or a drawing. It's important to measure if you had enough wire to do the whole word. Then I transferred the design to the cap. Now it's time for sewing, but first I took the protection cap off the wire. Then I punched the fabric and passed the wire through it from the inside. To sew all the wire into its position, I've used a double nylon fishing thread. As this thread is transparent, the light will easily pass through it. Now the process is quite simple. Place the wire at the desired spot and secure it by sewing to the cap. As I wanted to avoid having thicker parts at the letters, I decided to punch again the fabric and hide the double lines at the interior of the cap. Then I passed again the wire to the exterior to continue the letter. So this is how I've made the Y. For the remaining letters, the process is quite the same. Whenever I ran out of thread, I just cut it and make several knots, and then start again with new thread. Once finished the design, I pass again the wire to the interior of the cap. Finally, I cut it, leaving some extra centimeters, and place again the protection end cap. To add some protection to the wire and provide more comfort, I cut out a piece of EVA foam and glued it inside the cap. back I also sewed a black nylon strip to hold the battery box once connected. And this is the finished cap. If you liked it and want to see more of my creations, please subscribe.
Next level.